slammed Hillary Clinton for having the basement in her server, and that's why I felt she should be prosecuted, except I didn't slam her, and I didn't feel she should be prosecuted.
Does an impeachment help us in 2020, or does it hurt us politically? Because I don't think it's the right question to ask, but we do need to be realistic.
In fact, probably 110% of the Democrats in the House would like him impeached. All of you guys would like him impeached. The sole reason you're not doing it is because you know Nancy Pelosi was right there during the Bill Clinton impeachment. Done for political motivations, trying to undo an election, yada blah, etc. And she saw what happened with the polls. His popularity went up, especially among blacks. Now his ratings for trustworthiness and honesty went down, which shows you that the American people somehow, some way, were able to divorce the job they perceived Bill Clinton to be doing from Bill Clinton's character. Yet when Republicans do the same thing, okay, there's some things about Trump, he's done this, he said this, but overall, he's doing a great job. We like what he's doing on immigration, or what he's trying to do on immigration. We love the judges. We love the tax cuts. We love that he's slowing down the march towards single payer. We love that he's reducing these regulations. We love that he's calling out AOC and the extremists for what they are. We love that he's standing down Iran. We love he's standing down North Korea. So he cheats at golf. So he fabricates his crowd size. So he's yeah, but it gets foot traffic.
Esto sí me está quitando la cama.
Nomás uno lo quitaron. El día que la sacamos, nomás ahí hizo quino, no nos siguen quitando.
Entonces, ¿por qué? ¿Por qué no hay
Pues
dinero?
cuando llegue el papel te llega.
Anda mal este pedo. Anda mal.
Bueno, yo sí